who is Next Chapter Manufacturing? We are a group of recognized leaders with expertise in not only additive manufacturing, but also tooling and plastics. So we combine all this together for a total solution to our customers. I want to tell you, before I started Next Chapter Manufacturing, I started out decades ago as a mold maker. And then I moved into the plastics processing side as a molder. So living in both of those worlds and getting my butt kicked every single day dealing with problems of cycle time and warp and all those pain points I was dealing with constantly really is what the foundation and the core of me starting Next Chapter was. Because what I felt is that if I could eliminate those pain points, our company would be more profitable, we would have happy customers, and we would be able to run a smoother operation. And we're seeing that now through Next Chapter by delivering 20 to 80% reduction cycle time. We eliminate those defects that I used to struggle with for years. And we do this all by delivering our products in days so that you can stay on schedule and you can be on budget as well. So one of the things that we look at and why we are able to do this is that we have a set of core values that we founded around. So we're entrepreneurs. We're entrepreneur in spirit, and that really is the core of just being able to get the job done when we need to do it and delivering it at whatever it takes to deliver and be on time. We look at focusing on solving problems through deep thinking, using tools like fishbone diagrams and 5 whys, and really getting down to the core of what the root cause is so that you as the customer do not have those same issues over and over. So we ask the right questions, we understand and think like you think so that we can deliver the right solution. We also focus on being innovative and creative. So this is really the most important thing above all the technology that we employ here. Being innovative and creative, that creative action is really what is able for us to stand head and shoulders above the rest, because we're thinking about the issues, we're putting them through our filter and our process to be able to deliver an expected result. And we do all this by laughing often as well. That is one of the foundational core values, is that we don't take ourselves so seriously because what we do is very serious, but we don't take ourselves too seriously because we want to make sure that we have fun, we're relaxed, and we work together properly as a team. So that's who we are, that's our story. Thank you very much.